you get paid to be one of two things. So you got to identify as fast as you can when you're building your business which one of these things you are. You're either aspirin or you are a crayon. A crayon is something a child or anybody can take and they can paint a brighter future. In business, a brighter future, we call that top line revenue. Okay? Anything that helps you generate more revenue in business, that's a crayon. You drive revenue, you get paid because you're a crayon. In business, if you're aspirin, you save time, you save money, you take some nagging pain or inefficiency away. As an entrepreneur, you should know, am I helping people paint a brighter future, right? Or am I helping take some kind of nagging pain away that's always going to be there, but I can diminish it or make it go away in some way? It's really important when you start to think about how you market your product and what benefits you bring to the market. Because at the end of the day, you're in the business as an entrepreneur of delivering benefits. Think about whether you are a crayon or aspirin, and focus your business and the way you develop your marketing, your product around one of those two things. Next thing you want to do as an entrepreneur, once you got an idea and you figured out kind of what you're going to get paid for, is compliment yourself. You need to surround yourself with amazing people. People who make you better than you are on your own. And you want to find somebody who, like somebody you might marry, is good at the things that you are not. Okay, so you've got an entrepreneur, you've got a manager, and you've got a technician. Okay, and anyone who starts a company may be one of those things. Right? It's really important to identify which one you are and hire the people around you to fill out those other pieces. So it just so happened that, I built the entire first version of our product by ourselves, managed the project through, had the vision for it. As soon as I met Joe, who was a PhD in computer science, I gave all the technical stuff to him. And I focused on design and marketing. And then this other guy, Levi, joined us, Joe's best friend, and he happened to be a great manager. And this is in the people vein. So people, values, values, values. Okay? This will become more and more important as you grow a business. You need to be aligned around shared values, and the people you need to hire need to share your values. And so at FreshBooks, we say we hire for two things. We hire for skills, right? That's only half the job. And it's 49%. We also hire for fit. Does this person share our values? Do we want to spend time with this person? It's not so much are they going to fit in, are they the same as the rest of us, but at the end of the day, when push comes to shove, does this person share our values? They may have different politics, but can I trust them? Are they passionate about what they do? If I give them something, are they just going to do the job, or are they going to bring it back and make it extraordinary when they deliver it? Right? Are they an achiever? So you need to know what your values are, and to begin with, this will be an instinctual thing as you build out your business, right? You're going to hire people, but I encourage you to trust your gut. Your gut's going to know that thing in the back of your neck or in your belly when you're interviewing somebody, you're like, I'm not quite sure about this person. Any doubt like that, do not hire the person. You may need them desperately. They may have all the skills in the world, but if you can't, for example, communicate with them, if that's a value to you, it might not be. Maybe you don't care. Maybe that your culture and your values you don't care if the person can communicate as long as they do the task. But know whatever those values are and what's important, and only bring people onto your team who share those values.